Hello and welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we finished the out of engine case. Well, we finished. We create some internal structure of the um, outer engine, and we exported for 3D printing. So let's take a look of the results of those prints. Okay. Um, I have tried to print the couple of the tests for the engine cover of the B29, and as you can see, this is my first test with the lightweight PLA. Is not a great deal. It's quite it's not heavy in comparison with the PLA, but it's heavy for lightweight. And also, as you can see inside, although you can see the structure of the ribs we made on Fusion, you can see there's lots of stringing. So I have been playing around with more settings, and after the last video where we did the cut in the middle of the shell, the ribs, I printed off this one here, which is not great, but I think it has an improvement on the previous one. Also inside there is not that much stringing going on, so I think this is a starting point. What I also is much lighter in comparison with that. I know it's half of the size, but I can feel it, it's lighter. What do we have here? Maybe it's a bit of a flex on both axes. So I think I am going to head back to Fusion and do some modification on the inner structure, and then we'll try once more to print and see how that goes. Okay, so see you back in Fusion 360. Right, back in Fusion 360. As you can see, as you have seen from the results, is not that great, especially the first one. It was very bad. So what I want to do now is change a little bit that structure, and we put a cross structure going through the middle and see that how that will pan out with the ribs and everything. So let's see, how do we do that? So if I take this one out and I keep just the ribs, so what I want to do, I want to make a cross section there. Let me have a remember. I think it was 1 mil. This one, yeah. So let me try to create a sketch. That plane, and I want to project the internal. Let me see if it project the external as well, and I'll project this one. Yeah, kind of. So it's projected there, is no projected there because it's projecting on the. So let me cancel that. So I just project this one for now and press OK. So if I hide all the formers, keep the out of it as a reference. So from here, I can find a middle line. It's not. Can use this. And actually, we could extend it even more. Let me go right out afterwards. Okay, and then I want to offset those, and two size I think is gonna be 0.5. I'm correct. So 0.5 is 1 mil, and I am doing the same this one, and with 0.5. Okay, I move the middle section, and I think I need to make complete part. So I need to close those. And now we should have a, okay. So fine, I just select them all. That's it. And then I am going to extrude them back these ones so I can see how far I need to pull that one out. It's enough. That one back, and then it's a new body. So this, let me call it internal structure. Now, if I put all the former back in, see if I can I want to trim. Sorry about that. Just switched on from a Windows PC and just got myself a Mac Mini. That's why it's a little bit time off from the channel. And I'm just finishing everything. Had to setting up, so still got some glitch. I need to solve. So let's continue. That is the body to split, and I want to use that if it works. Body to split. That is the body to split. It's okay. No. Body to split is that one. Then select split. Da, 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 that, that. That one, that one, that one should give us this one and also this one. Standing, probably in, and click OK and see what's happened. Okay. Well, we have several extra bodies, so I assume something has happened. So if I remove all my former, not much has happened because I am idiot. Because I need to split as well. Body to split and not that one. And body to split. No, that is the tool. Okay. Now I shoot. Okay. Okay. Right, that can be removed. And then what do we have here? Keep that. I didn't probably really needed to do it. I just needed to combine them, actually. That would work. Actually, I'm gonna, while I'm here, I'm gonna select them all. Let's remove those. all the that is actually what I wanted. That is actually what I was looking for. And I think what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to make this one a little bit lighter. I hope. So what I can do, what I want to, I'll do a sketch there. Sketch here, and I am getting done all this cutting. Let me go back prior the okay, that's where we were originally. So what I wanted to do actually was to this one, all the former off, and we split the body. That is this body to split, and the split into is this one. Okay. So now I can take this one off, and I can say remove. Oh, I have what actually I wanted. So now what I can do, I want to make this one a little bit lighter. So let me project that. Okay, offset. Let's go down. Oh no, vector is not two sides. So we can go how far we go. Let me get a format and see. I can't remember. There's a 5 mil. Okay. Yeah. And I do -5 then. -5. And some extra random vertical reinforcement. So 5. -5. Yeah. To be up, closed, at the close time. Yeah. Close. those two. So, and finish the sketch here, and I am free, extrude out, cut. Okay. Same at the bottom. Project. Okay. Email. Okay. Get that reference name. Then we offset if 5 4. Yes. Okay. Fine. So 1, again, 2, 3. Extrude out, cut, and what I do to sketch plane. I have done double work on the one below. I forgot I was actually sketching the same plane. So 5 there, 5 there, and object section. Okay. There. There, and offset these -5. Now let's cut. That should be it. Finish the sketch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extrude down. Cut. Okay. Let's see if that makes what I wanted. All the former. That seems okay. So I probably should do the engine back on. see that how it pans out. Canvas. There we go. Yes, that is the attaching sketch there. Back now sketch there, so I want to project the whole lot here, and can finish the sketch. Now I can extrude. I want to make this one a bit stronger, to be honest. I want to extrude, say, well, we can start with 5 mil and see how that does. The engine back port. Off. Is okay. Say I want to move that to the off point. Now, so what I can do, try to do up, edit, and project. Engine. No. Sketch. Is it what dashboard? Although it is all coming through the ribs, or the front here will be detached. So I need to connect all these up. Also, I need to think how to print that, because it's not going to be flat. It's not going to be flat to the printer, so probably I need support in there. Sketches. off. All this off. On edit, edit sketch. I better outer. Or I'm gonna build around out there and select point there, sketch, in case I want to rotate it, but I don't think it's needed. Edit the sketch and put going. I that trying to do here. I don't know if it's gonna be okay. Try to extend those. Give me follow now. Okay. Right, okay. Idea why work. All the others works. Let me have a look. Okay. Oh well. Um scroll normally. Only to make sketch and Put that one back in. Now I want to extrude all of these. Extrude. Goes okay, 5 mil. Join that one. So that is roughly what I did. Internal structure out of engine. So what I can do, split the body. Body to split is that one. Split that one. Take that one off. All the be removed. Moved. Front. Front. Sketch. That's the outer. Create another sketch. I don't need sketch. One. Two. Edit the sketch. I can see that. So we project. The engine set. High up. If it's roughly the right position, the canvas. I think it is. Wide. Yeah. Got that. I do a bit of a offset on that. Give a couple of mil spacing. Then from here, sketch. Want to fill all that. Oh. fill all this. Extrude back, extend to object and extend it to here to be able to do the cutting for that. Sketch. I have. Now this one leaves me with the internal structure of structure. There. Okay, so I do. I create sketch on his faces. Off and that one goes. Okay, front, and I want to that one. Get 5. Cancel. Have the front one. So the first, and I to lengthwise. I probably only do this. Is set -5. Same at this one. 5. Okay. sketch. Let's see how that one pans out. Off. Let's get there. 2. Okay. Join all extrude -1. Join. Okay. That is the all internal. Okay. The former back to do the back support and cut that one out. Because at the moment it just floating there. Probably needs supports. Leave that one off for, and that is no. I want to do this one now. I won't. On ground form. As is actually internal structure. So we go these 2 floating. I can have a look. I can split that. Splitting tool is this one. Okay, so that one, I remove it. Here, do we have here? Over here. That one. I probably leave those there. That'd be weird. There. So not actually putting anything but the fact when I've got the outside shell. Then that touch. Okay, I think we have done enough structure here. What I'm gonna do, I am going to save this, and I'm going to nerves, and that's it. Right there. I'll do a cut about minus 100, and yeah, the body, everything. Body to that. Splitting that one. Okay. Now off, 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 off. That should be the part to export for me to try the print. Okay, let's save this one. Actually, I'm not to save it because I'm gonna revert it back. So I am going to just port as a 3F and call it engine test. Yeah, the download folder is fine. Now, body, keep the action plane as it is. Now, everything back. Plane. And here we are. I will try to print it, and we'll see on the next video the results. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and see you next time. Bye bye.